In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser. Search bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Create. Here you can type your prompt. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. Click on Download. Let's try another sample. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download, let's try another sample. Typing your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. Click on Download here and you will get image without any watermark. If you want more AI videos like this, let me know in comments below.